Natatakam ka bang humigop ng mainit at masarap na sabaw? Here's a recipe that will surely warm your stomach as well as your heart. So easy recipe, chicken mushroom noodle soup. So simple, yet so special. How to do that? Tara, let's cook! We need 1 cup of sliced chicken, isang platitong vermicelli, or you can use sotanghon noodles, dried mushroom and dried fungus mushroom. These are available at the local grocery stores. Some Chinese cabbage and spring onion. A pinch of salt and pepper. I use white pepper and black pepper. The secret ingredient, sesame oil. 2 cloves of garlic and green chili to add a little spice. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Una, ibabad muna natin sa tubig ang ilang dry ingredients para lumambot, tsaka iset aside. Vermicelli noodles at yung ating dried mushroom. Now, or chop it into small pieces. Slice the green chili into small strips. Chop the Chinese cabbage into small pieces like this. Gasan lang natin ito at saka hiwain. Huwag masyadong manipis ha. This kind of mushroom has a distinct flavor, a very pleasant smell and taste. Una nating igisa ang puting bahagi ng sibuyas dahon. Isunod natin ang karne ng manok. Kapag maluto-luto na ang karne ng manok, maglagay tayo ng 4 na basong tubig at hintayin kumulo. Now let's drop in our mushroom. Sunod na ilagay ang fungus mushroom. Mas manipis ito kaya hindi ko sanabay sa isang mushroom. Kapag napakuluan na ang ating mushrooms, ilagay na ang vermicelli noodles. Now let's add our leafy vegetable. Let's put the garnishing. Mix everything and this is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, God bless you.